Welcome to Finlay Motor Group. It's a short presentation of the 2017 ST Line EcoBoost Ford Focus. Vehicle is finished in metallic Moondust silver, has upgraded 18-inch ST Line wheels. This ST Line comes with aircon and Bluetooth. It's a 6-speed manual. Has the trademark ST Line black textile with red stitching seats, both front and rear. This Focus is complete with rear privacy glass, both on the rear windows and the boot. Vehicle comes complete with satellite navigation, has active voice control, and has the touchscreen sync. Electric windows in the front and electric mirrors. If you have any further questions on this vehicle, please contact us at 045 431 725 and we'd be happy to help.